TV.
Country people, una well done. Now welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as they happen and as they hot.
DGM TV.
To those I sold the product that turned out to be fake. Lord, you know I didn't know he was fake. Only time shall tell who a man is. From the high mic I preach, you know those how to MOU. In the name of the poor he has borrowed. To consultant he transferred the money. During his election, there were preachers from Edo State who printed these posters. Upon being elected, even menu card are printed in Port Harcourt. Suddenly, there are no MCs in Edo State. MCs are imported from neighboring state. Lord, he who forgot us. Our time is coming. We shall speak. To you, God in heaven. You know we voted in innocence and in trust. He has abused the trust. Enable us, Lord. With our PVC, we shall punish him. With our broom, we shall sweep him out. Together, we will bring your servant, who is God-fearing, who will not repeat his mistake, and he will continue the project of taking EDO to the next level. All these and many more we say in the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. I scored 94% of the total vote cast. Across the 77 wards, I won all the wards in Edo South. If you have been so generous to me, why can't I give you my all? Even my local government, I didn't get that. I got 86. I could go on and on and on. So, when I had the opportunity to nominate the first ambassador, I nominated Uyi Igbe. And I'm happy of the 12 ambassadors retained. Uyi Igbe, who was our speaker, is one of the ambassadors that are retained. On merit. On merit. So I want to assure you, I apologize for my poor judgment. As they say, you can never know human being until he has money and he has power. Then his true color comes out. So if those who told me that this man will betray, they have turned out to be true. God has a reason for keeping me alive and well and strong, so that working with you, your highnesses, we will correct the mistake and bring someone who will make up for lost time. Everything I was doing for the Eniges, I'm sure Pastor Yamu will return it. Those annual meetings, he will return it.
Oshiomhonle!
TV.